So what is an index fund? It's the easiest and safest investment you can make. Well, think about it like this. If you go to a pizzeria and you see the menu of all the pizzas listed on there, you want to eat them all. The tonno, the bolognese, the romana, the frutta di mare, the quattro stagioni, the margherita, the quattro cheese. But you know, that's all too costly. So what the pizza guy figured out, he will sell you a sample box full of small pieces of each pizza. So that way you could enjoy each pizza and you get a bit of everything for way less than it would cost you to buy them each individually. So it's the same for an index fund, but this time the margherita pizza is not a pizza, but a Microsoft stock. And the Frutti di Mare is an Apple stock. And the Pizza Romana is a Tesla stock. So you're not buying each stock individually, but you're buying an index fund that contains a small portion of most stocks out there. There are a lot of great index funds. For Europeans, it's VWCE, who has a small portion of most stocks in the entire world. And in the US, you have the VTSAX, which is the list of the most stocks in the United States. But you gotta take in consideration where you live, because tax rules are different in each country. Index funds outperform 99% of individual investors and almost 95% of hedge fund managers. So man, if 99% of the world can't do it, and not even the hedge fund managers, you know, I'm not gonna try my luck. Nobody knows what stocks are going to hit a home run, not even the guys in Wall Street. Except maybe Warren Buffett. That guy is the GOAT. Be like Warren and hit the like button. Seriously, this helps me a lot to get my videos shared on YouTube. For example, so if you invested initially 25,000 euros or dollars and added $650 or euros per month in an index fund that has an average annual return of 10%, boom! After 25 years, you are a millionaire. But let's buy an index funds real quick so you can see how easy this is. So you need to set up an account at an online broker. In Europe, you can use the Giro, or in Belgium, Bolero, and in the United States, you can use Webull. So you open up the online broker. In this case, I'm going to search for VWCE. I click on it, I click on buy, I enter the amount of exchange traded funds I want to buy. I change the order type to market order. I'll leave my order valid for a day. I click on I have read and understood the information disclosed above in the key information document, and I proceed to sign the order. Some information about the costs. Then I click on confirm order. Bam! That was easy, right? John Bogle was an investor and he invented the index funds. He also started the Vanguard group, one of the largest investment groups in the world. VWCE and the VTSAX are also Vanguard index funds, as Vanguard is still the indexing leader since 1976. The annual costs of Vanguard index funds are very low. You can look up the expense ratios. VCWE is 0.22% and VTSAX is only 0.04%. The younger you start investing, the better. Forward this video to your 18-year-old friends so they can also enjoy a champagne-filled bed. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm go out.